Hi guys, today I want to speak about the difficulty I'm having with shaping the body panels with the bodyfiller or Bondo on the Fiat 500. And the difficulty is that this car is basically a round car, and it's kind of difficult if you don't have the right tools to shape the Bondo. Let me show you. For example, here this is the back. The engine cover. As you can see, it bends like this, and it also bends like this. So I have two dimensions to look at. So this one was all banged up. I am almost at the end of fixing this one. Here now it's okay. There it's okay. And again, yesterday I just put a little bit of a filler in here, but as you can see I still have to sand it a little bit properly. So the difficulty is in these two curves here and here. It's more pronounced in the hood, but also more pronounced here. Here is exactly the same. So I have this curve and I have that curve. This was all banged up, and it's really taking a lot of effort because I just have a standard sanding block. I don't have those professional long ones that I can bend and see to spread out the Bondo. So it's like continuously building up. I sprayed a little primer as a skim coat, what they call it, so I can sand and see where the lows are. The problem with that spray coat is it was eating up my paint. I had to sand it off again. Like here you can see it here, it started to crumble my paint, so I had to sand it off again. Everything on this car is all these rounded shapes, which makes it very difficult, and I have no reference point or what it was supposed to look like, so I'm just guessing. The same here. It's sculpturing work, so that's the most difficult part that I'm having. And now I can understand why people that restore these cars, they don't bother doing this. They just cut it off and put a new panel. But I did not want to do this, one, for the expense, and I didn't think it was needed, but I can understand that it would save you a lot of time just buying the panels. So that was it, guys. Hope it helped you. If you have any comments how you can do this better, let me know. Thanks.